delicious recipes. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today we're going to be making
Christmas cookies! And we got our 2 eggs.
We have our 2 varieties of sprinkles.
We have our butter.
We have our chocolate chips that we're going to add into the dough.
We have our vanilla extras.
We have our sugar topping that we're going to coat the cookies with.
We have our sugar.
And we have our baking powder with salt.
And we have our flour. So we're going to start with the flour. Now, we're gonna go next, baking powder and salt. Now, mix it.
Now that my sister is done with the dry ingredients, I'm gonna be doing the wet ingredients. So I'll start with my butter. And now I will put in my sugar. And now I'll mix my butter and my sugar.
I'm gonna help my sister put the egg in.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to add my vanilla extract.
The dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Guys, while my sister is mixing, I'm gonna pour sprinkles. I'm going to scoop the dough on the tray. Now we're all done putting the dough on the tray.
So now we are going to add our sprinkles and our chocolate chips, and then we are going to refrigerate it for about 2 hours. So we're going to be doing this one first. You can start.
Now that we decorate them, we're going to put them in the refrigerator for 2 hours.
We'll be back in 2 hours. See you later.
Alright guys, so I'm covering this up for them, and then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Okay.
2,000 years later.
Guys, our cookies have chilled for about 2 hours, and now we're going to be putting all of them on the tray, 12 on each, which will make 24, and then we'll put it in the oven for 12 minutes. So we're gonna put the cookies in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit.
For 15 minutes.
Okay guys, so now our cookies are ready.
Yes, our cookies are ready.
Okay guys, so we'll allow this to cool for 5 minutes before putting it onto a cooling rack. And by the way, this one was in for just a bit longer. That's why it looks a bit browner, but it still looks really good. The sugar topping on it, and then I'll let it cool down. So we have let our cookies cool for about 30 minutes, and this is the outcome and results. And now as I was saying earlier, these cookies were a bit overcooked, but they're not really bad or anything. They're still really, really good. Okay guys, so I want to show you one of the cookies. Really good, guys.
Really good. Thank you guys for watching our video. Subscribe, comment, like that video, and see you guys next time.